Hello students, I'm your English teacher Christy Grace. In this class, we are going to see our English video. Grammar part, simple present tense and present continuous tense. Before we enter into the topic, let's take our textbook page number 69. All of you take your English textbook page number 69. Yes, here they have given a conversation, okay, about Annalisa and Hugo. So let's read. Come. Imagine Hugo meets Annalisa after few days. Read their conversation. So Annalisa and Hugo they are meeting after few days. So let's see the conversation. Hugo, hi Annalisa, where are you going? Annalisa, hello Hugo, I'm going to school. Hugo, you cycle to school every day, don't you? Annalisa, yes, I cycle every day, but today I'm walking to school because Grandpa is using my cycle. Bye, Hugo. See you later. Hugo. Bye, Annalisa. See you. You just have a look on the sentence, especially the underlined one. Where are you going? I'm going to school. You cycle to school every day. I cycle every day. I'm walking to school. Grandpa is using my cycle. Right? Now, let's see. We use the simple present tense to talk about an action, okay, that we do again and again. So we are using simple present tense. Simple present means now, okay. Simple present tense to talk about the action that we are doing again and again. Clear? So if we are doing some action again and again, we can use simple present tense. Okay, let me show you some example. You just see the book back example of page number 69. Here they have given you walk to school every day. So here you walk to school every day. So they are going to do the action again and again, right? I play football every evening. I play football every evening. Jaya milks the cows at 5 every morning. Jaya milks the cows at 5 every morning. So these are all the sentence which express the action that we have been doing again and again. Okay? Now, come next. We use present continuous tense to talk about the action that are happening now. Now, we are talking about present continuous tense. In the name itself, we can understand continuous means that the action that have been happening now, right? Let's see some example. I'm going to school. So now I am going to school. So it is happening at present, isn't it? Now it has been happening. Okay. My sister is using the cycle. She is learning to ride. Why are you standing at the bus stop? So in if you look on these sentences, we can come to know that these situations are happening right now. Okay, right now we are asking why are you standing at the bus stop? Right now we are learning, she's learning to ride. We are going to the school, I'm going to school. At present right now we are doing that. If the situation is like that, we have to use present continuous tense. I'll tell you the simple example. Now let's differentiate simple present as well as present continuous. Okay, you know what is simple present, isn't it? As well as you know what is present continuous, isn't it? Let's see. Ria rides her bicycle to school every day. Ria rides her bicycle to school every day. But in present continuous tense, you just see, however, she is taking a bus to school every day. Clear? Here in simple present tense, we can say that action is doing again and again. So here Ria rides her bicycle every day. It is a repeated action. If it is the repeated action, we can tell it in a simple present tense. But if it is happening now, means we can tell in present continuous tense. You just see she is taking a bus to school every day. Here it means she is going to the school by the bus every day. So she is taking. You just underline that here taking. You can see ing form in present continuous tense, whereas only s or es to the verb in simple present tense. Next, Rikin usually reads comics. Rikin usually reads comics. Here, you just see the present continuous tense. However, today he is reading a novel. Today he is reading a novel. So, if it is the continuous tense means we can add ing to the verb. If it is simple present tense means simply we can add s to the verb. Okay? I hope you can recall the action word, isn't it? Now, I have given some example for simple present tense as well as present continuous tense. Let's see. All of you take your page number 70 to 71. You just have a look on that. Okay. Goofy usually wakes up late. Okay. It is a repeated action. Okay. It was happening again and again. But you just see here, Goofy is waking up early. Clear? And he misses the bus. He misses the bus in simple present tense. In present continuous tense, he is waiting for the bus at the stop. Okay? So in present continuous tense, we can see ing form. Okay? Where in simple present tense, we can simply going to add s or es to the verb that is based on the subject. Clear? If our subject is he, she, it, we are going to add s or es to the verb, right? That's why we have been using he misses the bus. Next, he eats too many packets of chips and sweet. It is a simple present tense. It has been happening again and again. That's why in present continuous tense, he is eating a vegetable roll and an apple. So, in present continuous tense, we can say it is happening now. Okay, next. He drops the trash on the floor. He drops the trash on the floor. In present continuous tense, he is throwing the wrappers into the waste basket. Okay, next. He usually watches too much TV in the evening. He is playing a board game with his family. So, here easily you can understand if it is simple present tense means it will happen again and again, and also we have to use s or es to the verb, whereas in present continuous means easily we are going to add ing to the verb, right? Next, he usually fights with his brother while having dinner. He is helping his mother cleaning up the kitchen after dinner. I hope it is easy for you to understand, isn't it? What is simple present? What is present continuous? So, simple present means, can you recall that? Simple present means the action that we do again and again. That is simple present tense. We have been doing that again and again. But where present continuous tense means at present what we are doing. At present, you are watching my video, isn't it? So, you are watching my video. It's a present continuous tense. Clear? Now, I have given some example for simple present tense. My father goes to gym every day and she loves to play basketball. She thinks he is very handsome. I run every weekend. We play tennis every morning. You just have a look on these sentences. If you look on that, we can come to understand that these are all the actions it has been doing again and again, right? Every day going for the gym, right? My father goes to gym every day. So here goes. We can add yes to the yes or es to the verb because my father is a singular. So if the third person is singular means he, she, it. If it is he, she, it, we can add s or es to the verb, right? That is the simple present tense. She loves to play because the subject is she. That's why we are adding s to the verb, right? She thinks he is very handsome. So she thinks. So not she think, right? She thinks. I run. In here we are not going to use yes to the verb because it is I, right? It is not a he, she, it. Only you can use s or es to the verb when the sentence is starting with he, she, it, or else we can write directly. So I run every weekend. Next, we play tennis every morning. Here, play. So why? Because we have been using play here because the subject is we, plural. So we are not going to add s or es to the verb, right? Only he, she, it means we are going to add s or es to the verb. Now have a look on the present continuous tense. So for present continuous tense, easily we can close our eyes and tell. Present continuous means it is at present happening situation. Continuous means happening at present. What is happening now? Okay. So the structure is ing form. So here where in simple present we are going to add s or es to the verb. Here in continuous tense we are going to add ing form, isn't it? So you just have a look on this word actions that are happening now. She is cooking in the kitchen. Here you just look at the verb cook plus ing, cooking, because it is a present continuous tense. If it is the present continuous tense, we have to add ing to the verb. You just have a look. I'm just asking what she is doing. Now you're telling she is cooking in the kitchen. So at present, I'm just coming and asking what she is doing. You're replying she's cooking in the kitchen, right? Action that are temporary. Next. So let's see. They are staying in London for few days. We are asking where they are staying. They are staying in London for few days. And in case future plan. For in future plan also we can use present continuous tense. For example, where are you going? I'm going to the market, or else I'm going hiking tomorrow. So here we can use present continuous tense with these cases. The main thing is in present continuous tense we can use ing to the verb, but before that we can use am, is, or. Clear? I hope you enjoyed this session. It's very easy. You just have a clear cut. Simple present means again and again. Present continuous means at present happening situation. For simple present, we are going to add s or es to the verb. That is come for third person singular, which means he, she, it. Okay. Whereas present continuous tense means we are going to add ing to the verb. That is based on the subject. I am, he is, we are going, I am going, she is going. That's it. If you have any doubt, please watch this video again and again. Try to complete the worksheet. Thank you, students. Bye, all of you.